Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video, here to bring you two 15's CVRs doing 147 decimals, man. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it myself. I had to hear it right away. Like, man, let me check this out. Let me go ahead and hear this real quick before I can, see what it's doing at 147 decimals. And it was pounding, man. Pounding. Two 500 RMS speakers doing 147. I haven't even got that high with my speakers, so, but it is in a like a truck with a small cab, so that could play a role in it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and check it out, guys. Let's go ahead and check it out
real quick, and then I'll hook everything up while you do all that.
All right, y'all. We got some Kicker 15 CVRs. They going ham in here. 147 on the meter. Got a 2,000 watt Audiopipe amp, the same amp my boy got. Got him a little Kenwood head unit.
Beautiful, I love that thing. That bitch got Alexa and everything. That bitch be talking to me.
Y'all can see this box, real deep box.
She's 32 inches deep by 40 wide, solid oak, sealed, ported, 45-degree corners on the inside.
How much is it tuned, man? They always ask that question. What is it tuned to?
The box is actually tuned at 30 hertz.
30 hertz?
I got 10 and 12 gauge wire. I got the 10 gauge ran from the speakers to speakers, and then from the speaker to the amp I'm running 12 gauge. I ran out of 10. 0 gauge all the way through. Two 300 watt fuses on a deep cell marine battery. You can see right here. So
got some power in here, y'all.
Go ahead. Let's check that out.
Got some power. Big battery, same battery. Y'all recognize this battery. I got this battery in my car.
Yeah, that motherfucker great.
Nice battery. And there go that Audiopipe 2000, y'all.
Love them.
0 gauge wire everywhere.
Everywhere.
Alright.
I'll give myself a little shout out real quick. Anyway, I'm Double G. I'm the South Bend Rough Rider Road Captain in the bitch.
That's right. I hope y'all heard that. Alright, here we go, y'all.
Since the game of my land, the reason I was shade, playing in my eyes. In the rainstorm and the blizzard, expressing all of my feelings. Mama never won't listen.
enjoyed that, man. I mean, that was a demo I didn't even expect to get. So, but like I said, man, it was very, very powerful, man. Very, very thunderous. You know, and like I said, two 15-inch kickers, man. Like, man, put some respect on kicker name, man. That's all I can say, man. I mean, a lot of people hate kickers and hate Rockford false gates, you know what I'm saying? I guess it's all how you got it set up, you know? Like, and then I think with his box had a lot to do with it. So, like, when you getting sounds like that or getting numbers like that, it has a lot to do with the box. So, yep. And y'all see the Jeep sign, but it's not my Jeep, of course. You know, I'm actually borrowing this Jeep. You know, my Jeep we still waiting on the fuel line to come back. It's on back order. I could drive it with the fuel line bad, but since I got a warranty, I might as well just let them fix it. I mean, it sucks that I don't have a car to drive or don't have a car that they can loan out to me. You know, they don't have a car to loan out. It's like, you know, a lot of the COVID situations has messed that up. You know, even the rental cars are very, very high priced these days. So, man, I hope y'all can see some of this stuff going on. Like, man, the phone want to act all blurry, you know. But yeah, and also, man, you know, we will get the Jeep back, man. I mean, it's a matter of time, you know, like, because I need to do a lot of work to it. That's why I want to get it back. You know, I want to get it back and enjoy it too. Like, when I get it back, I'm going to enjoy it. It's a very fast ride, so it's okay, you know. So, I mean, and we still got a couple of bump offs coming up. We still ain't get a chance to do them. So, look forward for that, man. Like, it's a bump off coming. So, not too, you know, I don't know when it's going to come, but it's going to come. You know, we're going to try to get it done before it starts getting snow. Getting snow on the ground. Yeah. And other than that, man, and I'm planning on probably upgrading to another DSP. I might get a DSP to help that radio out. Like, the factory radio just need all the help in the world. I do hate that I can't get an aftermarket radio for a good price in my Jeep, or even in this Jeep, which this one probably has. It probably is going to get the DCs in here, so we will see, man. We will see. You know. Other than that, man, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to say, man, because right now, you know, my mind is in desperation until I get my car back. So, you know, it ain't too much car audio talk I can really talk about. So, I mean, for real, I thank all you guys for watching and supporting. I mean, I appreciate all of you. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.